everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check all photos on Facebook. First of all, what you need to do, you need to click on this Facebook search bar, and here you need to search any person you want to see the all photos of this. For example, this is Ronaldo. Click on this, and here you need to type the name of the person you want to see the old picture. After that, what you need to do, you need to click on these photos. Here you can see. After that, click on this top filter icon. Here you can see. Now here you need to select date, and here you can see date posted. Click on this, and here you need to, for example, I can see this picture of 2005, for example, to 2005. Now click on this, and here you can see Ronaldo all old photos of 2005 and 4. In this way you can check all photos of any person on Facebook. This in this way you can check all photos on Facebook.